Hey everyone, the Honor Magic V6 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious foldable smartphones Honor has ever built. And based on what we know so far, it looks ready to take the fight directly to heavyweights like the Oppo Find N6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Following the recent launch of the Magic 8 RSR and Magic 8 Air in China, all attention now turns to Honor's next-generation foldable, which is reportedly nearing release and internally known as Phenom. If current timelines hold, the Magic V6 should make its official debut in March, with early teasers expected to surface by mid to late February. From a design perspective, Honor appears to be continuing its relentless push toward thinner, lighter, and more refined foldables. The Magic V6 is said to use an ultra-slim fiberglass frame, yet despite this slim profile, Honor has reportedly managed to squeeze in a massive 7,000 mAh battery. That figure alone is eye-catching, as battery capacity has long been one of the biggest compromises in foldable phones. Certification data from China's 3C database adds weight to these claims, suggesting that this is not just an optimistic rumor, but a genuine engineering achievement. If accurate, this would represent a major leap over the Magic V5 and could set a new benchmark for endurance in the foldable category. Powering the Magic V6 is expected to be Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Honor has consistently equipped its foldables with the newest flagship silicon, and this model appears to be no exception. With this chip, users can expect top-tier performance across the board, from demanding multitasking and productivity workflows on the large internal display to high-end gaming and advanced AI-driven features. Cameras are another area where Honor seems ready to push boundaries. Reports point to a 200-megapixel main camera on the rear, paired with a periscope telephoto lens. This suggests that Honor is not treating the Magic V6 as a compromised device, but rather as a true flagship that happens to fold. A high-resolution main sensor should deliver excellent detail and dynamic range, while the periscope lens hints at strong long-range zoom capabilities, something that many foldables still struggle to match compared to traditional slab-style flagships. Beyond raw hardware, the Magic V6 is also expected to offer a suite of premium features that reinforce its flagship status. Wireless charging is reportedly included, along with full-level water resistance, which is increasingly important for foldables, as buyers expect the same durability standards as conventional smartphones. Beidou satellite connectivity is also said to return, continuing a feature Honor has supported across its recent high-end devices. Looking back at the Magic V5 helps put the V6 into context. Launched last July with a starting price of $1,299, the Magic V5 already impressed with its 219-gram weight, slim 8.8mm folded thickness, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and 6,100 mAh Qinghai Lake Blade battery. It also offered features like a periscope telephoto camera, 50-watt wireless charging, and Beidou satellite communication across all variants. The Magic V6 appears poised to build on that foundation in a meaningful way, particularly with its rumored battery upgrade and next-generation chipset. If Honor delivers on these expectations, the Magic V6 could represent a turning point for foldables, addressing long-standing concerns around battery life while maintaining a thin and lightweight form factor. With powerful internals, a high-end camera system, and a feature set that rivals or even surpasses traditional flagships, the Magic V6 is shaping up to be far more than just an iterative update. As official teasers begin to roll out and launch details become clearer, this foldable is quickly becoming one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.